What are we going to name it?
Ashley.
Ashley, the bird? It's tiny, ain't it, Lily?
When it
Ain't it tiny? It's starting to get its little feathers. See? You got to pet it. See? You pet it real easy.
It's just a baby.
It's just a tiny. Do you like it?
I wish I could cute one.
Ain't it tiny? We got to find out if it's a boy or a girl, don't we?
I want a girl.
I know, but we don't know if it's a girl yet.
Like that one?
Mm-hmm.
What are we going to call her name?
Ain't it tiny?
I wish I could hold him.
See, it's starting to get little feathers on it. See the little yellow feathers?
Like those. The mommy and daddies. He's sleeping. See? He's sleeping.
Ain't it tiny?
Yeah, he's sleeping. His belly hurt because he's hungry.
Yeah, they're going to feed it. The mommy and the daddy's going to feed it. Okay?
And then, what are they going to feed him?
They feed it that egg.
How many?
One.
One.
Mm-hmm. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.